Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm your host, Emily. This podcast is made especially for people who are just starting to learn English. Today, we're going to listen to a simple conversation between two people. We'll hear how they talk about everyday things using easy words into sentences. Don't worry if you don't understand everything right away. Just listen and get used to the sounds of English. After the conversation, we'll talk a little more about what they said and why it's good for beginners. So, let's listen in.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thanks. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Tom. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from the United States.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes. What do you do, Sarah?
I am a student. I study English. And you, Tom?
I work in an office.
That's good. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. It's interesting.
That's nice.
What do you like to do, Sarah?
I like to read books and listen to music. What about you?
I like to play sports and watch movies.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is. Well, it was nice talking to you, Sarah.
Nice talking to you too, Tom. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Welcome back. That simple exchange between Sarah and Tom is packed with useful phrases for anyone starting to learn English. Let's take a closer look at some of the key moments. First, the greetings, hi, and hello. These are your go-to words when you want to say hello to someone. Hi is a little more informal, something you might say to a friend or someone you meet casually. Hello is a bit more formal and can be used in almost any situation. Practice saying them out loud. Hi. Hello. See? Not so scary. Next, they asked about how each other was doing. How are you? This is a very common question in English, and the replies were simple and polite. I am good, thank you, and I am fine, thanks. Notice the thank you. It's always good to be polite. Try saying these responses. I am good, thank you, I am fine, thanks. Then came introductions. What is your name is the direct way to ask someone their name. And the reply? My name is Sarah. My name is Tom. Easy, right? After introducing themselves, they said, nice to meet you. This is a standard polite phrase you use when you meet someone for the first time. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. And the other person can say, nice to meet you too. The to means also. After names, they asked about where they are from. Where are you from? This helps you learn a bit more about the person. The answers were, I am from Canada, and I am from the United States. You can replace Canada or the United States with your own country. Try it. I am from your country. Then, Sarah and Tom asked, what do you do? This is a common way to find out about someone's work or studies. Sarah said, I am a student. I study English. That's something many of you can relate to. Tom said, I work in an office. This tells us about his job. Following that, Sarah asked, do you like your job? And Tom replied, yes, I like it. It's interesting. This is a simple way to express if you enjoy something. I like, followed by what you enjoy. Try saying I like something you like. They also talked about hobbies. Tom asked, what do you like to do? And Sarah said, I like to read books and listen to music. Tom replied, I like to play sports and watch movies. These are great examples of how to share your interests. Finally, they ended the conversation politely. It was nice talking to you, and nice talking to you too are common ways to say you enjoyed the conversation. And of course, goodbye is the standard way to say farewell. So, why is this simple conversation so good for beginners? It uses basic vocabulary that you'll encounter very often. The sentences are short and easy to follow. The topics are everyday things that people talk about when they first meet. And the structure of the conversation is very clear and logical. All right, to help you remember and understand even better, we're going to listen to the dialogue between Sarah and Tom again.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thanks. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Tom. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from the United States.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes. What do you do, Sarah?
I am a student. I study English. And you, Tom?
I work in an office.
That's good. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. It's interesting.
That's nice.
What do you like to do, Sarah?
I like to read books and listen to music. What about you?
I like to play sports and watch movies.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is. Well, it was nice talking to you, Sarah.
Nice talking to you too, Tom. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Did you notice how much more familiar the conversation sounded the second time? Even if you didn't understand every single word, you probably picked up on more phrases and the overall flow. My advice is to listen to this conversation several times. Try to repeat the phrases out loud. Maybe even try to imagine yourself having a similar conversation. The more you practice these simple exchanges, the more confident you'll become in your English speaking. Remember, every big journey starts with a single, easy step. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. And before we go, if you found this lesson helpful, please make sure to follow. That way, you won't miss any of our future episodes full of tips and easy conversations to help you on your English learning journey. If you know someone else who is also starting to learn English, please share this podcast with them. It could really help them out. And if you want to be sure you never miss a new episode, hit that notification bell. We have lots more planned to help you learn English in a simple and fun way. Thank you for learning with me today. Join us next time for more ways to make learning English easier and more effective. Bye, everyone.